In this video, I'm going to show you how to book journal entries in QuickBooks online. So to do this, first you want to go to plus create button top left, and you want to go to other and click on journal entry. Whenever you do this over here, you basically have to update the date over here, and then you can adjust the journal number if necessary. And of course, over here, you can then go ahead and get started. So now you have to record the accounts. On the first line, you have to select the account from the account field and then enter the amount in the debits or credits column. So I'm just going to go and select a random account over here, like checking, and then I'm going to do, let's do 100 in debits over here. You can add description, you can add names as well over here, up to you. And then from here, what you want to do in the second column, on the second line, you want to go and basically select the second account being affected. Now over here, I'm going to go and select, for example, savings, and then you have to enter the exact same amount inside the credits. So you want to put it in the other one that you did up here at the top. And then basically, whenever you do that, you can then add the name over here as well. And then down here, you can also add memos, you can clear lines, add new ones, add attachments, stuff like that. And then whenever you're done, you can just click on the save button here at the bottom, or click on save and new or save and close. And that's essentially how to book journal entries. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.